Yeah.
So I think what we really set out to do with this piece was that we really want to challenge the perception of waste and what's still beautiful.
We actually challenge you to see whether you can tell which are the ones made from discarded marble and which are the ones that are made from fresh marble. And you actually start to realize that there's actually no discernible difference between what is a fresh piece and what is thrown away.
It's really down to what is perceived as waste. So what is perceived as waste to the factories may be beautiful to us. I mean, we are all skeptics lah. If I were to see something like that, I also question, you sure or not? This one is not from the same piece, man. Right, this kind of thing. Even if people question how they look, but if it gets them thinking, why not, right?
How do you guys interpret that superposition?
I think for us, the way that we interpreted was like how something can take on, in a sense, two different states depending on how you see it. So there's always this very interesting shift in what exactly defines and constitutes as waste. And it's always this reframing that we are always trying to grapple with. So I think when this brief came and then we thought, I think like the idea of like being able to present a single, say, material in two different ways, or two different states, or two different perceptions, was something that was very fascinating to us. End of the day, I think whatever you are doing art or design, it is not measured by the outcome. I think it's more about what are you trying to raise as a question. What is so powerful about design is that you are able to sometimes see things from a different angle that maybe some people might actually overlook, because you are able to kind of question norms, existing status quo, and really come in and rethink, can things be done better or done differently. So that to me is like a very inspiring thing.
How valuable is a piece of painting, right? It's just on the wall, it's not moving, there's nothing to it, but if the artist's intent is for you to feel in a certain way, and if you walk out of the room feeling that way, or if the intent is to make you question yourself even more, I think then it's achieved, and then that is the value. Yeah.